Okay, in our quest to try and sort out the problem we got with this bloody contamination that we've been on about for a long time ago, one thing we haven't tried is in this booth it's got a positive air filtration system. So what it does is it fills a chamber at the end of the booth with air pressure. That's allowed through one filter system into the booth, then it exits through another filter system at the back of the booth. On paper it works. In reality it's not so functional. Doesn't clear the fog as much as you want it to. It's not really as it goes, it's just a bit inefficient. But when we looked at our fan today, the fan that runs it, I got a feeling, well, I don't know. I'm not sure if it's going to contribute to our problem or not, but there is logic behind it. But let me go through this first. The inside of the fan casing should be nice and shiny like that, bright yellow, and the inside of our fan actually look like this. So somewhere along the line it's hoovered up the overspray, stuck it back through the fan and contaminated that. And with anything like this it needs to be a cleaner surface to make it flow better. So the fan blade itself equally was covered in overspray and bits of paint. So Lisa's popped that through the shot blaster. I'll show you a quick vid of that now. There we are. Give it a good token clean up. Got rid of all the crap and matter that was inside it. Jeez. Give it a fighting chance. The fan's in the spray booth at the moment. That's why I'm choking to death. Bloody hell. Fan's in the spray booth at the moment. I'll just give it a clean up. Well, as you see, Lisa give it a clean up. I'll give it a clear coat. Just to protect it a bit and make it smoother and more operable. I'm going to go away and choke quietly. I'll be back in a minute with a fan. There we are, the fan reinstalled. I fancy it's nearly Nardo grey, in which case it should go like the absolute clappers now, shouldn't it? But probably the best paint job I'll ever do. It's on a bloody fan inside there. Anyway, let's get this put back together. And there she is, all back together. Look at the shine on that. Bloody hell. So everything's all clean. We should have no problems whatsoever with that being a problem to us. See where we go from here.